Hi, my name's Greg, and I live in a 1996 Dodge Ram van, 2500. Ha! Oh, well, my hotel holiday is over today. Packing up everything, getting out of the hotel room. It is pouring rain outside. It's supposed to be raining all day today, tomorrow, most of the rest of the week. Is what it is, back out into the wild. Getting kind of lazy and complacent here. Married to this bed for 2 days. Put on my old same clothes. Collect up my belongings. And I think I'm gonna go. I can never find the sleeve. It's inside out. Man, what a joke. Oh, man. Wetness. A little bit of wind. Wetness. Can barely see the rock back there behind the tree. So last night I took a bunch of my dishes and I brought them in here since they have hot running water. Set up a little washing station, French press, cups, all this stuff, carried that in here. So now I gotta transport all of this stuff out of here, back and forth into the rain. Jackery 240. All right, good for me. I always like to just kind of straighten up a little bit so it's not a complete disaster when the housekeeping comes in here. Room 105. We'll see you later. Sounds good. I really don't want to get out of the van right now, so let's try out the human being. The human being.
Hi, good morning.
Hello. Let's see here. I would just like a medium, regular old coffee.
Oh, okay, definitely. Any creamer or anything like that in there?
I would like 2 Splenda if you have it.
Yeah, definitely. 2 Splendas.
Yeah, and like an inch of half and half.
Inch and a half and half. Yeah, got it. Anything else for you?
That should do it.
Awesome. May I have a name?
Your parents didn't give you one? Man, that's horrible.
I know.
Ashley. That sounds like a good name for you.
All right. I don't know. I don't think I'm an Ashley.
I can only tell by a voice.
I sound like an Ashley?
I don't know what. Well, at that time you kind of did.
Alrighty. Okay, well, I'll see you at the window then.
All right. Bye. No, definitely not an. Who is it I was talking to? No, not an Ashley. All right. That was a fun little drive-through experience at the Human Bean. The girls who are not named Ashley were very friendly. And, you know, I like when people don't take themselves too seriously, you know? Come on. Working at a coffee drive-through. Let's have some fun, right? I love messing with people like that. It's just fun. Oh, man. Got a lot of water built up here. Oh, no. Possible flooding situation here.
Knowledge. Now only college football. Now only football teams in the SEC. Are you serious? Yeah. I think it's Jersey Savant. I think he's just a big sports fan, specifically Notre Dame football. Yeah, comedian. But I want to actually use it. That was designed with that goal in mind. Like my husband.
Trying to button it up a little bit. Put the jackery up there. Make it feel more open, less cluttered. See how that goes.
Fries, give them to the dog. Now the dog loves getting them.
Yeah, so just pick it up.
The dog's a shoplifter?
Yes.
Now we have to pay for that, Fido.
Yeah.
Thank you, PetSmart. PetSmart.com. Tell them the Bob and Tom Show sent you. Coming back with the new original series.
They'll walk to a Texas Ranger. I'm not your Ranger, but I'm still a cowboy.
I figured this would be a fun time to go out to the Rock and see what it's like out here. See what the surf's like. See if there's any surfers out there for that matter. And not a surfer in sight. And that's probably for the best because conditions are pretty rough. Getting muddy and wet. Oh man. And the real weather hasn't even moved in yet today. I'm just gonna go over here, park under this tree, and hopefully that'll keep some of the rain off of me so I can just hang out, chill, have a nice little lazy, rainy day. What do you do on rainy days like these? Whether you're in a van or your house, not a whole lot. Just sit around, watch TV, eat, drink something hot. I can do all of that in my van. I got food, stocked up on some basic supplies at the dollar store, and I'm parked up. It's right across from the Rock and the Harbor Hut in this nice big parking lot. I parked under a tree so as to try to alleviate some of, the torrential downpour when it comes in bursts. And it is actually working, but every once in a while I get a little on the roof because something fell from the tree, but no big deal. I also am parked up next to bathroom number 3 on Vanlifer's Guide to Morro Bay by the Maritime Museum here. So if I need to do that, it's there. The wind's whipping, rain's coming in bursts. We have what's called an atmospheric river just hitting up Central California primarily, which is good because we're in a severe drought. Like, I can't remember the last time it rained for more than a couple of hours or a day. All right, I'm getting attacked by the tree, so I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna just pull over a couple spaces here in the parking lot because I've seen a bunch of branches of trees down and stuff around, and I don't want that happening on top of my van. Well, this tree is suddenly just get a gust of wind and a branch fall on it. Something significant just hit the roof, so crank her up and move her out. Woo! look at all that water. I got the hankering for a little homemade breakfast. My favorite homemade breakfast, or breakfast for that matter, is an omelet. Got some turkey, got some cheese. I'm gonna crush that up in there. Let it cook nice and low and slow and good to go. Make sure it doesn't stick to the sides and then comes out all nice and neat, except for that broken side. A little sauce on top and yummaroni. What, you thought I wasn't gonna have coffee with this? Right. Yeah. It is a wet one for sure. Windy to boot. And I'm well fed and caffeinated. Kind of getting tired of sitting in the same spot, so I figured we'd shoot on down the Embarcadero, head toward Thailand's Park on the other side. And I move along again, just driving. The night's settling in. The rain has abated for a bit, but the wind is kicking in strong. I'm just cruising, checking out the sights. Always looking for a new place to park. Holy windamole. And finally, I find my spot, familiar territory, and settle in.